In the world's most demanding work sites, strength, efficiency, and serviceability make all the difference. At EIK, our buckets are engineered not only for performance, but also designed for practical maintenance in the field. As the front line of excavation, GETs are built to wear, and they do. But a complex or time-consuming replacement process can interrupt workflow and reduce overall machine efficiency. At EIK, we rethink the way buckets are built. Our design philosophy is simple, powerful, practical, and service-friendly. Other buckets require cutting, grinding, and long maintenance hours when replacing wear parts, especially side cutters and side protectors. EIK buckets, they're engineered for easier maintenance and quicker part replacement. With bolt-on wear components, each section can be serviced or replaced with minimal downtime, even directly on site. It's a design that saves hours of maintenance, reduces replacement costs, and keeps productivity high. Less downtime, lower costs, longer life. At EIK, durability isn't just a feature, it's a practice. A commitment we make with every part, designed with the end user in mind.